Wakey, wakey. It's his big party day. Wakey, wakey. They're gonna really wake you up in the army. Last hurrah day. Anything to say? Mom, get out of my face. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay, guys. He'll talk to you later. Alright, guys. I'm dressed. I'm just doing sweatshirt and jeans today. It's my family. I'm going to be running around cleaning, cooking, partying. I just want to enjoy myself and be comfortable. So, yeah. Sweatshirt, jeans, tennis shoes. That's it. I want to be the first one to say to my son, I love you. I'm proud of you. I'm going to miss you. Try not to cry, but I'm going to miss you. You are my baby, my last born. You are such a kind soul and a caring person. I know you're going to do good out there, and I know you want to be the best you can be, literally, in the army. So, you're going to be good. You're going to be good. God's got you. I love you. I'm proud of you. We'll miss you. As Nanny would say, this is not goodbye. This is see you later. I love you, son. Hey guys, we put up a little bit of decorations just to support DeAndre. I ran to the Dollar Tree, of course, my favorite store. So, luckily they had 4th of July decorations because I couldn't find anything Army and I couldn't find anything saying we'll miss you. But I got these cool flags. I got these little windmill things. So if you're someone's trying to get 4th of July decorations, they're already in. I put them on my pot plants, not pot plants, my potter plants where I plant my flowers. Haven't planted them yet, so it was perfect. And then we made the sign because they had these huge poster boards. So we just wrote stuff about the Army. We'll love you, we'll miss you, DeAndre, proud of you, son, support our troops, go Army. And then at the end of the night, I'm going to have everybody sign it and put it in his room, even though he won't be there for a while. And then the Army gave us this one. Our son is making a difference. So, yeah. This is our little decor, and I put some balloons up there. And, yeah. Put this on the door, home of the free because of the brave. Didn't really do much inside. Just put some balloons. Like congrats and you're the best and it's your day type of balloons on our railing. And that's about it for decorations. I'm going to get this house put together, start cleaning it up, and start cooking. We've got Pepsi, we've got Gatorade, we've got Sunny Delight. We've got cranberry juice, we've got Corona, I got limes and lemons. Chris has honey Tennessee whiskey. I like fruity drinks, so I have this mango pineapple and this blue raspberry. But I'm going to get all this situated. Oh, you guys want to see something funny? We decided to get him, it's his birthday coming up on the 30th. He won't be here to celebrate his 20th birthday. So it's like birthday / going away party. We told her to put be all you can be in the Army on this birthday cake. Be all you can be in the Army. Look how she spelled it, you guys. The light shining. Tell me that is not hilarious. Who does not know how to spell Army? I'm just saying. A-R-A-M-Y. But my husband told me to leave it because he thought it was funny.
Hilarious.
And even the check clerk that was checking the cake out was reading it and laughing. So we left it. It's comical. My husband was having a little teary moment. Do you want to say goodbye to DeAndre?
Not yet.
Not yet. He'll do it in private. All right. We're going to cook up some loaded baked beans. I'll bring you along. Can you say hi to my YouTube family at least?
Hi.
This is my son, guys. This is the big Army boy. We're getting ready. So, I have ground beef, I have bacon, I have onion, I have garlic. I'm gonna use all these beans. I'm gonna use the Instapot. I've got tons of pork and beans. I like to add a couple of the maple cured bacon Bush's beans. I'll bring you back when I get it all assembled. Okay, here's the beans, guys. I added brown sugar, a little hot sauce, a little ketchup, a little mustard, a little onion powder, a little garlic powder. Yeah, a little seasoning. Put it on, I gotta put it on low. Well, I'm gonna let it warm up and then I'm gonna put it on low as like a crock pot mode just to keep it warm in the Instapot. And then I have a crazy mess going on, so I'm currently cutting lemons and limes for like the drinks, the food, whatever. Got some tomato, onion, and lettuce cut in a container because that's what we like to put on our burgers and stuff. Not doing much of like, you know, like steak. You guys are probably like, why do you guys always do hamburgers and hot dogs? My family says that too. But truth be told, just our family, there's like 30 of us. And last night at Winco, and remember, all our family members usually contribute and bring something. And so we're just doing like meat. We have some liquor and beer, buns. My mom already donated the chips. We didn't even do that. We have like a couple desserts, cookies, cakes. Just doing that alone was like over $300. So if I went out of the way and did like a carne dinner or like a steak dinner, anything, ribs, it would be really pricey. So, you know, that's why we do burgers, dogs, brats, those kind of things. But yeah, I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna get ready. I've had a headache all day. I think I'm just a little stressed. I'm gonna miss my baby. My husband's already cried a couple times. We love him, you know, he's our baby. You know, my oldest son and my godson are still here with us. I get to see them weekly. I'm not gonna see my baby for 6 months. I don't even get to talk to him. They take his phone when he gets there. They let him get one phone call, almost like Jill, and that's it. And then after that, I think he gets to come home for like a week. We're not even sure about that yet. And then he gets stationed for 3 years. He wants to go to Korea. I think I've already said that. So this is just a lot for me. I'm proud of him. Don't get me wrong. I know there's way worse things going on in the world right now. And I'm blessed, and I know that. But it doesn't mean I'm not going to miss him. I'm going to miss you, son. But I'm proud of you, and I know you can do it. All right. Let's finish this up and I'll bring you back. What do you got to say to DeAndre?
Did you break it?
Hi, DeAndre.
Hey.
10 Hut.
10 Hut.
10 Hut. Love you. Be good. Listen to your superior officer. And I'll see you when you get back.
There you go. And there he is, cooking. He said he wasn't a master. He lied to his wifey. He lied. He's always shaking his head at me.
You're like in my face with the
Can you just say one thing? One thing.
What?
Who's the best mom in the world? All right, that's all I need to hear. Who loves me more than anybody?
You only had one mom.
All right, that's all that matters. You heard it right from the mouth.
What?
What do you want to say to DeAndre? You gotta say something to DeAndre. Anything.
Bye.
Miss ya. Love ya. Proud of ya.
Have fun.
Okay.
Okay, ready, Grace?
Attention.
Ready.
Suck in that belly. Suck in that belly.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Might want to back up a little bit.
You just.
He's gonna
Do you have a
watch something.
headset for this?
You can. You can actually put one in if you want.
Walk through the tunnels, find the gorillas, and then tag them.
Are we actually recording?
How do you get up?
It's hard to climb too.
No, it's not. Bro, this is weird.
Oh, you got your toys? That's cool.
Are we not besties no more?
You got all your toys? Where are you going with them? Okay.
Rue, can you say hi?
Hi,
Say, I love you, Uncle DeAndre.
I love you.
Say, see you later.
See you
Can you tell Uncle DeAndre you love him?
Love you, Uncle DeAndre.
Say, be safe.
Be safe, baby.
Maybe. He will.
Yeah. Well, me and my friend and the kids came out and it's like we were at her car.
I love you, DeAndre. I'm gonna miss you. I'll see you later. Love you.
What do you want to say, Haley Whaley? Yeah?
Tell something to
You want to tell DeAndre something? He's going to the army. Love you. Love you.
What else did you want to say? Be safe.
Be safe.
And don't miss your mom and dad is what you said earlier.
And all you hurt.
And don't what? Don't get hurt.
Don't get hurt. Amen.
But if you do, don't cry about it, right?
Right. Superstars.
Yeah.
Video games and toys. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
We're famous.
We're famous.
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 Ha.
Ha. Say it again.
No, because I'm gonna be fucking crying.
I'm literally gonna miss you so much, she said.
I've been to a few protests, but anyway, Primo, I'm gonna miss you so much. I don't want to talk about it because I'm gonna be so sad, but we have so many memories together, and I know you're coming back. You tell me every 5 seconds, I'm coming back, I'll be back, we'll party, we'll hang out. I'm gonna hang out with everybody when I come back, but like, it's so sad. I'm gonna miss you.
She's gonna miss you, DeAndre. Much love. All right, I haven't got these two yet over here.
I don't like DeAndre.
Your favorite cousins. They love you much. They love you much.
I'll text him.
She'll text you. Tell your cousin you love him.
Whether your baby's crying.
She loves you. She's camera shy. Aww. You got a brownie? Yeah. DeAndre's biggest, oldest brother, Jared. We love you.
Love you too.
Oldest sister over here, sister-in-law. We got auntie over here. We got cousin-in-laws over there. We got an auntie over here. Would he be a nephew?
That'd be cousin.
DeAndre's nephew? DeAndre's cousin.
Cousin.
Nephew over here. Oh, he's so cute. We got Auntie Dawn. We got Brother Ian. We got Miss Raina. Cousin Raina. Daddy over here. Nanny.
DeAndre, I'll miss you. You're government property now. I wish you all the best in everything you do. And if you really want to get to Korea, go to Korea. I got my fingers crossed for you. Love you.
Yes, we love you, DeAndre. Our neighbor Gus. You want to say something, DeAndre? He's gonna watch this tomorrow.
Korea?
He wants to go station to Korea.
You been looking at my girlfriend? She's got Korean daughter. Yeah. I would highly recommend, as long as she's a woman, you know.
Yeah. Oh. They're all out there playing football right now.
They too nowadays. Whatever floats your boat, right?
There he is.
Politically correct. Yeah.
You can make it just move.
Years of academy training wasted. Where'd you get that?
You want to say something to your son now? He
I love you, son. Very proud of you.
doesn't want to cry, son, so we'll leave it at that.
Very proud of you.
Daddy loves you.
Hi.
Want to say something to DeAndre?
I love you, DeAndre. I'll tell you more later.
Oh, local law enforcement. It's about time you started.
You want to say something to DeAndre?
Man, come back home. I know you got home with us. You know we love you, man.
Right. You want to say something to your brother? Not yet. You want to say something to DeAndre?
Not drunk enough yet. Maybe later.
What about any of you?
Yes, DeAndre, we love you and we will miss you. It's gonna be later. I'm doing for everybody.
And we're gonna cry.
And don't bring home no baby mamas, no 3 baby mamas, no stepkids, no STDs.
No baby mamas, no STDs. Just bring home those awards. Bubba, you want to say something to DeAndre?
Show him what's up.
Show him what's up. James, you want to say something? Be all you can be.
Universe Protection Unit of the Space Ranger
In the
Station.
Army, be a space ranger. That's what your brother said.
That's what these two
Alright. Hey little bro, I love you and I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to hear about it when you get back. It's going to be so great. I think you've been ready for this the whole time and it's us who got getting ready for you. You're going to do great things no matter where you go. I love you, little bro.
We love you.
We love you.
Hey, stop that.
Ashley was shaking all that room when she was fucking doing the rest of it. Everybody having fun. Oh shit!
Ian's gonna have a hangover. Hey, no, you won't. What the heck? Thank you.
You're a great mom. You've done good by all 3 of us. Jeremy, me, and DeAndre. You took me in as a disabled.
I'll only hear this once in my life. What's the alcohol talk?
Hey, this ain't for you. This is for you. I love you. You're good.
All right, no more alcohol.
Not so proud of us.
Don't stop now.
Not so proud of us.
Don't stop now. Rolex. I looked at the front and said, damn, what's next? Hey guys, that's the end of the party. It is 2:30 in the morning. We ended the party, I want to say about 12:45, 1 o'clock, somewhere in there. The last of the family went home about then. The party was awesome. It went on all night. Everybody had a blast, as you can probably see. And thank you for watching this vlog. And yeah, just want to say, DeAndre, we love you. We're proud of you. You were made for this, and you're going to kick butt. Stay safe, stay strong, and come home safe to your mama. Thank you for watching, everybody. We love you. Hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, just remember, family's all you got at the end of the day, no matter what. No matter how much they drive you crazy, no matter how much you butt heads, family is all you got, and family is everything. Love you guys. Mwah. See you on the next one. Bye.